Welcome to our Wix online program series. Today, we're going to learn how to manage your program settings, specifically its notifications. So to set your program's notifications, follow these steps. On your site's dashboard, click on Online Programs. Hover over the program you want to work on, and then click on Edit Settings. Scroll down until you reach Notifications. Click on it. So automations control all notifications. Manage and automatically send all of your member notifications through automations. Use different triggers to customize messages, such as welcoming new members, sending reminders, and sharing other types of useful info. So click on Go to Automations. All right, here we are. Click on New Automation over here. Then select Start from Scratch. On the left side is where you can find the triggers. A trigger, by the way, is what initiates the automation. Scroll down until you see the triggers for Wix Online Programs. Click on Show All to see all of the automations available for Wix Online Programs. Now, select an automation trigger you want to set up. For example, members join request declined. Once we click on that trigger, it will be added over here. Depending on what trigger you selected, additional settings over here will need to be set up. So feel free to set up these settings over here according to how you want to set it up. So in my case, select which programs trigger this automation. You can choose any, or you can choose a specific program. If you choose a specific program, click on Select, and select a program you'd like this automation to be applied to. By the way, you can select up to 50 items. You can also enable or disable trigger once per person. Once you're done, click on Apply over here. And now it's time for us to add our action. So click on this blinking plus button here and select Action. Now select an action you'd like to happen once the trigger is set off. An action, by the way, is a specific task that'll be performed once the trigger has been set off. Feel free to choose any action you want over here depending on your needs or preferences. So in my case, for example, send a push notification. And once again, depending on the action you selected, additional settings may need to be set up. So set up those settings according to how you want to set them up. In my case, it's asking me to choose a recipient type. So in my case, site collaborators. I'm going to click on Add Recipients here. And I'm going to select those who I would like to receive this notification. Okay, for example, like that. So let's click on Save, and our recipients have been selected. Now it's asking me to type in a message, so I'm just going to do that quickly. And then we're going to select our notification topic from here. And just like that, we're going to have to review everything to make sure that everything is correct. And then let's click on Apply. All right, so now that it's saved, let's click on Activate. And automation is now active. You can scroll down and see your new notification over here. Oh, by the way, I forgot. It's very important actually to rename this automation, so I'm just going to do that quickly. you can rename your automation over here and then click on Save and then click on Publish Changes. Okay, so over here, you'll see that your new automation has successfully been created and you can see its current status over here. So every time a member's join request gets declined, a push notification with a message will automatically be sent to the assigned people for them to look into it and take care of it. And so that's it. If you ever need to create another automated notification, simply repeat the process. That's all for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you found today's video of help somehow. Stay tuned for more tutorials about Wix programs. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing.